guys, it's Randy Bable here, your realtor and the principal broker of 10 Realty, downtown Sevierville. I'm out here at Douglas Lake, and you guys know I love Douglas Lake. I've got a fantastic 3-acre property just up the hill from this boat ramp that you really need to take a look at. Now it's 3 acres, has some good building zones. You're gonna get some fantastic lake views, and well, there's already a mobile home sitting on it right now, so it's a great spot to use for a little temporary residence while you're building your dream cottage, or a great little building slide office there as well when you're doing your construction of those lake cabins or cottages here out on Douglas Lake. I'll tell you what, instead of me talking, let's go up and let's take a look. Now this property really is all about the land. I mean, the mobile home here is very clean and tidy, and it's sitting right next to me here. And it's in a great build location because just beyond, you have an inlet for part of the lake right there. You're gonna get fantastic views. Now here is another great building site location. And what's beautiful about this is it's nice and flat and level. Now, great spot for an RV or a boat trailer as well, but also the lake is just right there. Now, for more information about this great property, I've set up a website. The link is down here below. On it, you're going to find more photos and a bit more information about the property itself. Now, if you have any questions at all, you want to walk the lot, or you want to get inside and take a look at that mobile home, just pick up the phone, give me a call. Again, all my details are down here below. I'm Randy Bable, your realtor and the principal broker of 10 Realty, downtown Sevierville. And I hope I can make this a spot for your beautiful new lake home here on Douglas Lake at the heart of the Smoky Mountains. I look forward to hearing from you when you call.